Imagine you're an experienced Python user delving into the world of Rust, facing a common problem in data manipulation. The problem at hand involves creating a data frame with columns containing missing values. You've attempted to use Sentinel values and replace them with nulls, but it hasn't been smooth sailing. The solution to this problem is elegant and efficient. By creating a vector of Optione 64, you can represent missing values more accurately. The provided Rust code demonstrates this approach by initializing a vector, iterating over its elements, and populating it with either sum, 1, or none based on a condition. This method ensures that missing values are clearly defined in the data frame. Building upon the initial solution, a more optimized approach involves using chunked array builders. By leveraging the power of primitive chunk builder, you can construct the data frame with improved efficiency. The code snippet showcases how to append values or nulls to the builder based on a condition, resulting in a pristine data frame without the need for Sentinel values. In summary, transitioning from Sentinel values to Optione 64 and utilizing chunked array builders offers streamlined solutions to handling missing values in data frames. By adopting these techniques, you can enhance the accuracy and efficiency of your data manipulation tasks. It's time to bid farewell. So remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Data manipulation can be fun too.